How to find my Morgan Stanley bank sort code. Morgan Stanley is a global investment banking and financial services company that helps businesses, governments, and individuals with mergers, acquisitions, capital raising, wealth management, and trading. To find sort code, search Morgan Stanley bank sort code on Google. Then this web page will show up. Click on this web page. Then you will find your Morgan Stanley bank sort code. You can copy it by clicking here. While sort code is typically a UK term, in the US and internationally, you'll generally need a SWIFT or BC code for international money transfers. These codes identify the specific bank and branch for international transactions. That's it. Thanks for watching.